Bon matin! Les tripeuses trotteuses sont en direct de St. George! On se retrouve présentement devant la Town Hall de Saint-Georges, qui sert aussi de caserne de pompiers, et on s'apprête à aller rencontrer Monsieur le maire d'Etorakis. Suivez-nous! Good morning, Mayor d'Etorakis. Could you please talk to us about St. George?
Good morning, Lucette. Thank you for visiting us today. St. George. St. George is the town that elected me mayor. That's the first thing that I should mention. It goes back to 1783 when it was first settled, and at that time it was called Magadevic. Very long history. The town was economically, primarily at the beginning, a center for quarrying granite, red granite. A lot of buildings have been built with this granite, from our parliament in Ottawa to some major museums in New York. The granite industry kind of fizzled off with the advent of the modern building materials, and St. George actually economically shrunk from its original size. Back then there were several hotels, restaurants, a railroad station. So, I mean, we still have the hotels, and we have a lot of tourists who are coming to see our beautiful town, but we are a bit smaller. And our economy right now is very strongly connected with the aquaculture industry. So Bay of Fundy next to us is the place where a lot of economic activity happens, both on the water and outside the water when they take the fish out for processing, and they're sending fresh salmon all over North America and the world actually. So we had, through our long history, we had I guess still some memorable monuments that you can see. We had a senator who has built a very beautiful house on our main street, Senator Arthur Gilmore. We have some farms at the end of the town where I guess my wife is growing tomatoes and flowers. And you can also have some great ice cream on our main street, Pete's. The river is part of the highlights of our town. You can go and see the Adventure Center, which is a beautiful place, and you can walk by the river. And I should also mention that we also have some great summer festivals. We have some musical events. This year we have the St. John String Quartet, who's going to come and play by the river. It's a very famous classical music group. It has been nominated for the Emmy Award. And we have some jazz music to be played also by the Magadevic River. So if you know of people who love this kind of music, make sure that you tell them to come to St. George. If they look at our town website, the dates and times are there. And we also have a much bigger festival, which is called Summerfest, which typically attracts country and rock music. A lot of local musicians, very, very popular. Normally it ends up with a big show of fireworks, but this year, because of COVID and concerns about super spreader events and all that, we have cut it down a bit. But we're still going to have a block party where, you know, people are coming and they're enjoying face painting activities and all sorts of activities for kids, and we have bands playing. So Summerfest is the hallmark of our summer festivals. And again, our site is the place to look for information. Thank you for coming today. It's a pleasure to see you in our town.
Thank you very much, Mayor d'Etorakis.
Mon plaisir, madame.
Nous sommes présentement au Centre de santé et services communautaires où à l'intérieur, on y retrouve la commission de la santé mentale. Donc, les personnes qui en ont besoin peuvent venir ici, rencontrer une infirmière qui va écouter leurs besoins et les diriger au bon endroit. Es-tu prête, Lucette? On s'en va marcher notre 3 km. Où?
Sur le sentier de la River Trail.
On y va!
Caroline, on se retrouve présentement devant Post Canada. Ici, c'est une bâtisse qui date de 1935. Et si vous regardez très bien, on voit de la granite rouge sur l'édifice. Un fait historique, cette même granite, qui est originaire de la ville de Saint-Georges, on peut aussi l'apercevoir sur le Parlement à Ottawa, sur la cathédrale à Boston, ainsi qu'au Musée naturel d'histoire à New York. Tout juste en face du bureau de poste, on retrouve le monument où a lieu la célébration du 11 novembre.
Voici une œuvre qui fait partie du Symposium international des sculptures et cette œuvre a été créée par James Boyd et elle s'appelle Waterstone. Nous voici maintenant à la Légion canadienne royale. Ici, l'édifice est utilisé par le Club de l'Âge d'Or qui organise différents événements tels que des bingos, des soupers, des jeux de cartes et on peut aussi louer la salle. Il est à mentionner aussi que la Légion comme telle est beaucoup active au niveau de la communauté car elle organise de nombreuses levées de fonds. Pour les amateurs de curling, n'hésitez pas à vous arrêter ici au St. George Curling Club.
C'est le Town of St. George, c'est l'édifice municipal.
Town Hall.
C'est écrit en gros
I
library.
just ruined your photo opportunity.
No, we're doing a video
Video for what?
for the Town of St. George.
Oh yeah. You don't sound like you're from around here.
Nope.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not gonna hear.
Hey, come on.
All right.
Are you here to pick up someone?
Yeah, my wife.
Oh.
Okay.
Do you mind just shutting your vehicle for 30 seconds?
30?
Or 20?
You know how hot it is though?
Yes, I know. Imagine that. You walk 3 feet with
You
the
walked
mayor.
all the way from the end.
Oh.
Okay, no, see, I forgot his name. No.
John?
Detorakis.
Detorakis. Okay.
Epicure.
Okay.
And you saw our granite post office a bit earlier. You did not see it. Okay, well, you should see it after we finish here. Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I should also mention that.
No, I'm going to do a thumbs up.
Au centre de santé et service, ok. Où à l'intérieur, on y retrouve la commission pour la santé mentale. Et c'est
Part of the town.
Où a lieu
Voici une œuvre qui fait partie de... Ici, le local